Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for all the support and watching us. Today guys, a very important update about us. So we decided guys, we started 2 more new channels. Yes, you heard it, not 1, 2, and stay with us to see because one of them is very unusual channel guys. Okay, the first one guys, it's called Honest Product Review. The link will be below in the description of the video guys. We decided to make a channel about all the reviews, everything we buy, car parts, car accessories, things for the house, baby stuff, everything you can think of, and leave our reviews there. So you know if it's good stuff, if it's not, if it's worth the money, so you don't waste your money. Please subscribe guys, it will mean a lot to us. The second channel, yes, that's the unusual one guys. Our baby, as you know, she's almost 8 months and she loves playing with the video camera and being filmed. Every time I'm making a video, she wants to be part of it, so we decided to start her channel as well. Okay, let me show you. This is guys, okay, her channel right there, Ceci's channel. Please guys, please check the link below and subscribe to her channel. If you have kids, they'll like seeing her playing with puppy dogs, we go to the beach and things like that. Thank you for watching guys, and thank you for being part of it.